Priyanka Chopra, who has been on a high with her equation with Shahid Kapoor and also her upcoming film Saath Khoon Maaf, recently inaugurated the 56th Idea Filmfare Awards during a recent media attraction. The dusky diva didn't deter from answering any questions that came her way.
Yeah, she's familiar. I know her well. There has been absolutely special. My career started with Femina Miss India. My first film, I got the Best Debut Award, which was by Filmfare. So my association goes way back with Filmfare. So I'm really, really honored to be invited here to announce the 56th Idea Filmfare Awards, which are going to be a very, very special year today. Because from what I know, we have a lot of special things planned this year. So I think it'll be very difficult also to pick the winners. So I'm very excited for this year. बहुत सारी अच्छी फिल्में आई थी इस साल. So I think popular films भी होंगे, critic films भी होंगी, and it'll be very, very difficult because films have done so well this year in terms of numbers. So I think it'll be a very tough choice for the jury and for people who vote. You know, I've always believed that if you have expectations, then there are disappointments. Suppose it doesn't happen. My film is coming in February. There are many, many, many more films coming throughout the year. There are hugely talented actors in the film fraternity. So you never know. You just never know. I mean, I would like to believe so. I always give my best to my films. But I don't think I would ever sit with an expectation that, oh, it's going to happen. I seem to be repeating myself when I say it. But really, because I said that with Kamine, that it was one of the challenging roles that I did. Then I said it with What's Your Rashi, that is the most challenging. Then I said it with Saath Khoon Maaf, that is the most challenging. So now I feel scared to say it. But yes, so far, it has been my most challenging film.
Thank you.
As of now. My name is Khan and Dabang. And I really enjoyed both the films. लेकिन अगर आप मुझे पिक करने के लिए बोलें उसके लिए मुझे जूरी पे होना पड़ेगा और thank God I don't have that job. I don't want to pick. I don't know if it's the best thing or not, but my mom's decided that I'll never be able to get married now. Yeah, she said अब तो नहीं chance ही नहीं है, अब तो मतलब मिलेगा ही नहीं लड़का. जब मैं गाऊंगी तो इस कदर गाऊंगी कि आप लोग सब सुनते रह जाएंगे. एक लाइन में क्या फायदा, पूरा गाना होना चाहिए.
दो लाइन.
Darling, आँखों से आँखें चार करने दो, रोको ना मुझको प्यार करने दो.
Her first release of this year would be Vishal Bharadwaj's Saath Khoon Maaf, which is already making waves. Her other two movies to look forward to are Agnipath and Dawn 2.